Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. The first five questions deal with phrase replacement. Question number one. The country has stopped a controversial practice, thereby ceased an activity which was violating the interim nuclear deal. This is in bold. The country has stopped a controversial practice, thereby ceased an activity, thereby ceased some activity. As such, there is no problem with this expression. Based on that, answer is the fifth option, no correction required. Question number two. There are some actors who manage to secure a place in the hearts of the audiences but fail on grabbing trophies at award ceremonies. Fail on grabbing is not grammatically correct. And when you read a sentence like this, the moment you read this fail on grabbing, before you see the options, you should think of fail to grab. Here the subject is plural. They fail to grab, a typical expression. Fail for grabbing, not correct. This is also not correct. Our failures at grabbing would have been better. Fail to grab, are failing to grabbing. Grammatically not correct. What is the correct sentence? There are some actors who manage to secure a place in the hearts of the audiences, but fail to grab trophies at award ceremonies. Question number three. When you are stressed, the body's response to stay alive. They should have given this also in bold. When you are stressed, the body's response to stay alive kicked in, causing your neck muscles to raise your shoulders and bring your head down and forward. When you are stressed, the body's response kicks in because the preposition to is not in bold. With to without, imagine to is not in bold. You cannot use to kicks in, to remains, to starts, to is. You cannot use any of these. And the sentence talks about a fact. It should be in present tense. When you are stressed, the body's response to stay alive kicked in. You cannot use this also. Based on that, you should understand the preposition to is also in bold. With that assumption, answer is the first option. When you are stressed, the body's response kicks in, causing your neck muscles to raise your shoulders and bring your head down and forward. That is a correct sentence. Question number four. With a mild winter making its presence felt, before you see the options, you should think of making its presence felt. Here we have to use a noun form of the word presence. Someone's presence makes the difference. With a mild winter making its present, this is not correct. In the city, it is time to bring out the warm scarves and make a statement, which made its presence. With a mild winter making its presence felt in the city, it is time to bring out the warm scarves and make a statement. Presence, that is the right word form, not present. Presence felt. Second option. Question number five. Factors like rapid urbanization and sedentary lifestyle. This is an important word. Sedentary lifestyle. Modern lifestyle is basically sedentary lifestyle. Means what? No physical activity has contributed for a rise in cases of diabetes in both urban and rural belts of the state. Has contributed for a rise. Has contributed, no problem as such. Let us see the options. Have contribution of, Like here, the subject is factors. Factors like rapid urbanization and sedentary lifestyle. Then you cannot use has. Have contributed. Have contribution not correct. Is contributing singular not correct. Are contributing a rise grammatically not correct. Have contributed to a rise in cases of diabetes. How does the sentence go? Factors like rapid urbanization and sedentary lifestyle have contributed to a rise in cases of diabetes in both urban and rural belts of the state. Answer is the second option. All the five are easy questions. The next set deals with parajumble. This is also easy, but there are six parts, not five parts. It is pronoun cannot be the first sentence. One tool for ascertaining this cannot be the first sentence. Demonstrative pronoun and conjunction cannot be the first sentence. To do it cannot be the first, the same. Over the past years, hold this one, but cannot be the first sentence. This tool, demonstrative adjective, cannot be the first sentence. It is very easy to get the first sentence or the topic sentence. What is it? Over the past few years, social media has become a job requirement for most world leaders. D is the first sentence. Then leaders, continuity of thought. But which leaders are using social media well? That is a second one. It is a question. It is a tougher question to answer than you might realize. Question about the question, easy or tough? It is a tougher question to answer than you might realize. Third sentence. One tool, the answer, one tool for ascertaining this comes from Diplomacy, a website that tracks the use of Twitter, perhaps the most lauded of social networks, by governments and international organizations. What is a tool? One tool for ascertaining this comes from Diplomacy and continuity of thought. And this is evident from the fact that here it talks about the most lauded of social networks, the use of Twitter. And this is evident from the fact that tweeting is now the norm rather than the exception. Even the Queen of England has been forced to do it. And what is the last sentence? This tool aids in getting a better idea of who is using Twitter well and who is not. This is the concluding sentence. DEA. It starts with a statement, then a question. It is a tough question, tougher question. Answer two sentences. And the last one, these two talk about the usage. And the last one again answers the question based on the tool. This tool aids in getting a better idea of who is using Twitter well and who is not. This is the correct order. These questions deal with either wrongly spelt or inappropriate. Bureaucracy was originally seen as a good thing, a way of allowing organizations to survive changes in leadership and to resist the capriciousness of powerful individual leaders with vested interests, selfish interests, capriciousness, not being stable, always changing. There's a popular saying in English, nothing is more capricious than human mind. Thoughts always change. There's nothing wrong with survive, capriciousness, vested. Bureaucracy. 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 Bu, there's nothing wrong with this. But here, REAU, bureaucracy, Cracy. This is the correct spelling. Those who believe that ecological disasters will somehow be averted must also appreciate the commercial implications of such belief. Avert means to avoid, to prevent. Appreciate, nothing wrong with the word averted. Appreciate, no problem. Commercial, no problem. Implications, no problem. Those who believe that ecological disasters will somehow be averted must also appreciate the commercial implications of such a belief. Answer: all correct. The fifth option. 13. While the global economy began slowing down in late 2007, forces transforming the face of business can be traced back to more than a decade. Transforming, no problem. Business, no problem. Decade, 10 years, no problem. Based on the context, it should be traced, traced back, can be traced back to more than a decade. While the global economy began slowing down in late 2007, forces transforming the face of business can be traced back to more than a decade. TRACED. This is not correct. Question number 14. Entrepreneurs and corporate innovators continue to introduce disruptive innovations that change existing markets and create new ones. Entrepreneurs and corporate innovators, nothing wrong with this, nothing wrong with this. It must be disruptive innovations that change existing markets and create new ones. Give me a second. It must be disruptive. Not sure about the context. I feel there's a problem here. Disruptive. Disrupt means interrupt. Disruptive. Question number 15. Trusting someone with direct access to your primary inbox is only advisable if you can expect that person to exercise as much discretion as you would get from a therapist. Trusting, no problem. Access, no problem. Advisable, no problem. It should be discretion. Something, this is not correct. Discretion. To exercise as much discretion as you would get from a therapist. Now, questions based on the passage. The passage is all about recycling. The modern era of recycling began in the meandering wake of the Mobro 4000. Let us go to the questions. What does the author refer to through the phrase got off on the wrong foot as used for recycling in the passage? It was considered appalling by its propagators themselves. It was found to be unhygienic by everyone. It wasn't initially welcomed by many. People who considered it worthless started appreciating it later. People involved in the process became corrupt. Answer is the fourth option. Got off on the wrong foot means not in the right way. People who considered it worthless, something negative, started appreciating it later. Question number 17. Opposite in meaning, spurned. Spurn, something like stir, make something happen. Here the question says, what is the opposite? cheerful, where is the word? Let us see the context here. It was refused at every port. By the time the sperm vessel returned to Long Island, based on the context, refused, rejected. Here the question says what is opposite? It is not cheerful, it is not predicted, it is not disregarded, accepted, not disqualified. Opposite. Spurn means refused, rejected. What is opposite? Accepted. Question number 18. Same in meaning, volatility. Volatile means constantly changing, not permanent, not stable. Versatility. Versatility goes with talent. Generally, it goes with actors. We say versatile actor, not related to the word volatility. Instability. As I said, volatile means what? Not stable. Instability. Dependability, not correct. Uneasiness, not correct. Opposite, stability. But here the question says the same in meaning based on that second option, instability. Question number 19. Which of the following best describes the central theme of the passage? Advantages of recycling. As I said, it is all about recycling. How does it end? Still, the same two basic questions about recycling persist. Is it good for the environment? And does it make economic sense? Advantages of recycling. Recycling, the best futuristic way of conserving resources. Explaining the importance of recycling right through the kindergarten years. The debate surrounding the concept of recycling. Identifying recyclable and non recyclable curbside raw materials. The key says the first option, advantages of recycling, but here it ends on two questions, two basic questions about recycling persist. Is it good for the environment? And does it make economic sense? So it is like a debatable topic. Based on that, the debate surrounding the concept of recycling. Answer should be the fourth option. The recycling industry creates pollution, has to be subsidized by the government because it is cost effective and is completely unnecessary. They declared some sort of controversy. Based on that, it is not the first option, it is the fourth option. The debate surrounding the concept of recycling. Question number 20. Opposite in meaning, embraced. It has many meanings. One of the meanings to accept, to put into practice. Here the question says, what is the opposite? It is not pushed, accepted, the same meaning, squeezed, not relevant, tortured, troubled, physically, not relevant, discarded, accepted, opposite, discarded. Fifth option is the answer. Question number 21. True in the context of the passage. Till today, recycling is viewed in the same light as it was during olden days. That is not true. It is yet to be established whether recycling is an economically viable solution or not. The passage ends on this note. In the 1980s, America was completely prepared to handle materials produced by curbside recycling. Along with others, John Tierney advocated resorting to recycling as a means of conserving resources. None of the given statements is true in the context of the passage. This is not true. It is yet to be established whether recycling is an economically viable solution or not. This is true because the question still, how does the passage end? Two questions persist. Is it good for the environment? Does it make economic sense? It is yet to be established whether recycling is an economically viable solution or not. Answer should be the second option. That is true. Question number 22. To the author's usage of Mobro 4000 in America's context, in the passage, he is trying to explain. He's trying to explain what? Why people are cynical about recycling earlier, how trash is treated in different parts of the country before being completely disposed of, how people realized the importance of recycling and took efforts to instill it in children. Answer is the third option, only A. Why people were cynical about the recycling earlier. Initially, they were cynical, later, they had to change the opinion. Question number 23. As mentioned in the passage, earlier recycling was not considered commercially viable because there were other and better ways available to conserve resources. It was exhausting resources. It was marred with administrative formalities. Answer first option, only A. There were other and better ways available to conserve resources. 24. Same in meaning persist. Watch, not correct. Whom, not correct. Respect, no. Withdraw, no. Remain. The passage ends on still the same two basic questions about recycling persist. Means what? Remain. What are the two questions? Is it good for the environment? And does it make economic sense? 25. Which of the following is the view of some critics about recycling as mentioned in the passage? Although on the face of it, it appeared impractical, they later realized its significance. It was assumed to be a huge exercise which required strategic planning and infrastructure. Answer second option. It was assumed to be a huge exercise which required strategic planning and infrastructure. These questions deal with double fillers. Traffic congestion tops the list of traffic congestion. I'm sorry. Traffic congestion tops the list of behind commuters increased distress, list of excuses, list of defense, list of reasons behind commuters experiencing increased distress. This seems right. List of ways, not correct. Intention. Traffic congestion tops the list of reasons behind commuters experiencing increased distress. Third option. An increasing number of employees are allowing staffers to work from home on a regular basis. Fewer companies are to more creative working arrangements like sabbaticals. In spite an increasing, grammatically not correct. Because an increasing, grammatically not correct. So an increasing, you cannot start with that. Though an increasing number of employees are allowing staffers, though an increasing number of employers are allowing staffers to work from home on a regular basis, fewer companies are open to more creative working arrangements. With an increasing number are eager to more. This is not grammatically correct. Answer is the fourth option. 26. Representatives from nations around the world will meet soon to a global climate change agreement that will come into effect. A standard expression will soon to add no representatives from nations around the world will meet soon to discuss a global climate change agreement that will come into effect from 2020. Describe not the right word, share, create, belief is not the right word. Discuss, come into effect from 2020. The biggest challenge in getting email support is making the mental shift away from of email as an area of responsibility that is yours. Shift away from considering of grammatically not correct. The biggest challenge in getting email support is making the mental shift away from thinking of email as an area of responsibility that is solely yours, completely yours. This seems right. Knowing of not correct, valuing of not correct, accepting of. Thinking of email as an area of responsibility that is solely yours. Second option. It is easy to look at companies renowned for their creative culture and attempt to what they are doing, but understanding the dynamics of culture, we may only mimic its surface level elements. Mimic means imitate. Context, this gives you an idea. Imitate, despite of grammatically not correct. To hesitate, not relevant. To champion, but by understanding. Assume what they are doing, but merely understanding the dynamics of culture. Emulate what they are doing, but without understanding. The key says the fourth option. I feel fifth option is the answer. Let us see how the sentence goes. It is easy to look at companies renowned for their creative culture and attempt to emulate. Emulate means imitate. Attempt to emulate what they are doing, but without understanding the dynamics of culture, we may only mimic its surface level elements. Beyond any doubt, fifth option is the answer. These questions deal with grammar knowledge, spot the error in only one part. The front of your neck is vulnerable and is housed the windpipe, which is protected by delicate cartilage. The front of your neck, this talks about a fact. It should be in present tense. The front of your neck is vulnerable and is housed the windpipe. Is housed is not correct. It should be houses the windpipe. The front of your neck is vulnerable and houses the windpipe, which is protected by delicate cartilage. There is an error here in the second part. Is housed is not correct. Houses the windpipe. The fight or flight response is one that is crucial of our survival when under threat. This is a concept. Animals, including not predators, including man, but if you take the big cats, lion, tiger, they don't resort to flight mechanism, they always fight. But all other animals, they usually take flight mechanism. When an animal is exposed to danger, it has a choice, fight or flight. Flight means escape. Many animals, including snakes, they take the flight mechanism. But the predators, big cats, they take fight mechanism. The fight or flight response is one that is crucial for our survival. Crucial of is not correct. Crucial for our survival when under threat. There's an error in the second part. The government is serious about the project and has identified a team of 10 doctors for the job. The government is serious about the project and has identified a team of 10 doctors for the job. I don't see any error. Answer should be the fifth option, no error. The key says fourth option, 10 doctors for the job. How much and how well do you know the phenomenon from which there is no escape? How much and how well do you know the phenomenon from which there is no escape? How much do you know? How well do you know the phenomenon from which there is no escape? Again, no error. How much and how well do you know the phenomenon from which there is no escape? The two people familiar with the plans say that the company is already in talks with other mobile enterprise developers and is trying to bring them into a more formal partnership. The two people familiar with the plans say that the company is already in talks with other mobile enterprise developers and is not correct, is trying to bring them into a more formal partnership. Trying is trying to bring them into a more formal partnership. No person shall make any comment on any child in any form of media without gathering completely and authentic information. Information noun. Before that, we need adjectives. Authentic information. Nothing wrong with this. But here it is an adverb. Not correct. It should be in the adjective form. Not completely. It should be complete, complete and authentic information. Without gathering complete and authentic information. The authorities have booked several schools for failing to compliance with child safety guidelines. The authorities have booked several schools for failing to with compliance with is not correct. Comply with. Failing to comply with. To comply with. There is an error here. It is not compliance. We should use the basic form. Comply. To comply with. The company's hopes. The companies, then you cannot say hopes. The companies hope to offset a gradual deceleration in growth by expanding their footprints in the workplace. Their footprints, definitely it should be the companies. Then we cannot say hopes. The companies hope to. Easy one. The government is wanting students to read books on medicine and surgery written in the native script. The government is wanting is not correct. The government wants students. It should be. The government wants students to read books on medicine and surgery written in the native script. Question number 40. Experts suggest We have got this already. Experts, plural. You cannot say suggests. Experts suggest that frequent vacations are good for the well being of children. Easy to answer. The last 10 questions deal with close test, blank number 41. If globalization has a spiritual home, it is Davos, which served host, kept host, played host, tried host, worked host. It should be served host, which served host. To the who is who of the planet's decision makers in January this year. The annual meeting of the World Economic Forum was allowed, catered, placed, devoted, suggested. The annual meeting of the World Economic Forum was not allowed, not catered, not placed, devoted to, was devoted to improving the state of world. Fourth option. Improving the state of the world with the ever present subtext that more integration is weighted, associated, better, not priced. More integration is weighted. First option. The abiding belief that these two goals are compatible has taken a strength, stand, momentum, ride, beating. This is a standard expression, take a beating, has taken a beating in recent years, has been criticized. The financial crisis that struck in 2008 raised serious questions, uplifted, enslaved, doubted, asked serious questions. I don't think so. Raised serious questions. A standard expression. Raised serious questions about whether globalization had become more of a threat than a boon. We learned the we learned the way that the world merged. We learned the hard way that the world financial system had become like an electrical grid. Learn the hard way means with great difficulty, mobile nature single. Learn something the hard way, putting in a lot of effort. We learned the hard way that the world financial system, second option is the answer, had become like an electrical grid in which a single tree falling across a high tension line could result no cause blackouts. It should be the first word. Cause blackouts, not result. Result in would have been better. And conclude, emerge. Cause blackouts of homes and businesses hundreds of miles away. Today, even as the Great Recession recedes from memory, it, its ravages are dealt visible, absent, stored, missing. Visible. Its ravages are visible. Prior to the crisis, global commerce was growing twice as fast as global economic output. Trade plummeted after the crisis and is only now attained, believing, set, regaining momentum. They are not correct. Is only now regaining momentum. Cross border capital flows are 60% of what they were before the meltdown. To put it bluntly, globalization has flourished, succeeded, downfall, as you need a verb. Succeeded, created, stalled, it should be flourished. Cross border capital flows are 60% of what they were before the meltdown. To put it bluntly, globalization has flourished. First option. That's all about this paper. Thank you very much.